Hi, I'm Kat Olson and welcome to Coach Kat's Corner. I'm an e-commerce coach and an Amazon best-selling author. I've spent over 20 years helping thousands of entrepreneurs build successful online businesses. I've worked on Google's small business team. I've mentored countless entrepreneurs and seen firsthand what works and what doesn't. But my biggest breakthrough is dropshipping and print on demand. It changed everything for me. So in this video, I'll break down the exact steps I took to hit six figures with print on demand, including some of my favorite suppliers, platforms, and marketing strategies. So let's start with the foundation, multiple income streams. I didn't just rely on one store. I diversified with 3 revenue streams. So here's how. I used Etsy with print on demand, and it was a secondary channel to my Shopify store. It is beginner friendly. It has built-in traffic, and shoppers are already searching for unique products. I connected my shop from Shopify to Printify, as well as Etsy. It's all integrated, as well as other print-on-demand suppliers, and boom, my designs were printed, shipped, and delivered without me touching a thing. I've been mildly successful on Etsy until I enrolled in a coaching program just last year that got me from $800 a month in sales to $8,500 the following month. A link to schedule a call to learn more about that coaching program is in the description below. A Shopify store was my first store. I started there following some of the YouTube videos that you saw from 5 to 6 years ago when I used AliExpress to dropship cheap Chinese products. You may have seen some of the same videos. I made my first sale within about 9 days of launch and was mildly successful. I evolved from that dropshipping strategy to using US-based dropshipping warehouses and selling on marketplaces. This is where I made over $30,000 a month just last year, and I wrote my book, Dropshipping Riches, based on this success. My book became a swift success and received an Amazon bestseller status. Dropshipping Riches, if you're interested, is available in audio on Audible and ebook, paperback, and hardcover on Kindle, Amazon, and Barnes & Noble. And the links are in the description below as well. Now, the third area was digital products. Now, beyond physical products, I started selling these digital products using my own designs and art on a second shop on Etsy, like bundles of holiday designs and cartoon characters that other print-on-demand and Etsy store owners could buy and use on their own products. I expanded this to launching my designs on Creative Fabrica. I also used AI to assist in developing this channel. So here's the print-on-demand tech stack I swear by. These tools made my life easier and my profits higher. First was Printify. They've got a massive product catalog, competitive prices, although not the lowest, and reliable shipping. This is my go-to for Etsy integration. The second one is Interest Print. This was my first top quality print-on-demand supplier in China. You don't hear the gurus talking about this company, but they have a great mix of quality products you don't see on Printify. They're based in China, but quality and shipping hasn't ever been a problem with them. The next one is Print Doors. I never see this print-on-demand supplier promoted either, but they have some of the best products at the best wholesale prices. You will also see products here that are not on any other print-on-demand platform, making you provide just some of the most unique products, and they are also based in China. The next one is Canva Pro. Just about every single design I started on Canva. So from t-shirts to mugs to wall art, Canva Pro made it really easy to create eye-catching products. The next one is Everbee and eRing. These tools help me find winning products, analyze competition, and rank higher in Etsy search. I've linked all of my favorite tools in the description below, so you can implement these tools in your business today. Now, having great products is only half the battle. Here's how I drove traffic and got sales fast. You have to optimize your listings. SEO is just about everything. I used eRing to find low competition keywords and add them to my titles, tags, and descriptions. I also used Everbee to research the competition. Now, the other most important aspect is your thumbnail image. Pinterest traffic. I pin every product to Pinterest, seriously, linking straight to my Etsy shop. Pinterest is a goldmine for print-on-demand sellers because it's basically a visual search engine. Instagram. Short, snappy videos and rich images showing my products in action made all the difference. I used trending sounds and included clear calls to action, like get yours today. Etsy ads. Yes, I run Etsy ads, but very low budget at $5 a day. It is only on my best listings. And once a product proved popular, I would shift my budget spend to newly launched products. Now, it wasn't all smooth sailing. I made my mistakes, but I did learn pretty fast. Here are my biggest takeaways. Quality matters. Cheap products lead to bad reviews. Stick with trusted print-on-demand suppliers. Pricing too low kills your profits. I priced for value, not just competition. Test, test, test. I tried 10 to 50 designs before finding my first real winner. And the most important lesson, consistency wins. I treated my shops like a business, even as a side hustle. That mindset shift made all the difference. So if you're serious about building your own print-on-demand business, whether it's on Etsy or Shopify or both, I've got you covered. I've linked my resources that I've mentioned in the description below. And if you want more insider tips, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like this video, and comment below with where you're at in your e-commerce journey. I'd love to hear from you.